Hi everyone, today take you to throw down my baby bottle in a Bohemia mine cave. I put a lot of gems that can be cut. Today to pick a smaller green, today want to cut a red ion pull bow, take a darker color, try, take this Fukin light observation, see its interior? Still, with this size, let him make it for a moment, there should be no problem. Without further ado, let's start charging directly in this issue. Touch him into the shape of a red ion, and first grind this gem into the way you want. Look at the approximate shape, it has been polished, you can see the polished out, it is still quite clean, the overall color can also be slightly darker. Then the grinder into the polishing plate of the countertop for polishing, just like this, pinch on the polishing plate at a time to throw so enlarged after the mirror effect can be. The next one is to connect it on the Gemstone glue, is to use torch fire steam baked on a connected stone slab, and then the treasure's countertop top flat mounted on the octopus hand. First the step is to make the shape to get a little right. Round into 4 long sides, then 4 short sides rounded, then start polishing the lid of the can cloth. First polishing is 2 layers. The parallel surface is like the green man on the left. This is the polished look. You can see this reflective place. Ha is the original mine surface. Next, cover it with a layer of Sing small surface and give it away. What about the new noodles? It is on the basis of the second layer, 8 triangular small faces. Now see this infusion is completed. The next step is to polish him, to polish every customer face here into a face effect. It makes him become very transparent, very scattered, so each customer surface is to use 10 magnification to observe it, keep the light in place, so you can see that now these 2 levels, it has been polished, each level is wiring, connected just right and very transparent. Next he polished the new small facets, and he weighed the indeed faces of the 8 triangles according to the steps just taken. After throwing the amount, throw him the waste of the gem as well. This is the polished look of the whole jar. The waste was also thrown a bit, but the waste was not thrown that way. Next, take it from the top to him, remove with a fire steam, roast slowly, melon off, fire steam, then take it down, turn the face, reconnected. Now you have to polish the stop step. What is being polished now is the first layer of the stop step. Generally, the first layer is ground out according to its shape. Such a square shape is indeed a face. Then now this to polish the second layer, that is to add a layer of parallel to him, 2 layers of parallel to the surface, now has been polished. Next, in order to give him to grind out the left and right cross surfaces in the 4 large surfaces to the left and right sides, each add a guest surface. But there are a total of 8 pit surfaces like this. If there is only 1 layer, the matches are not finely broken. What about now? Further up to add a layer to him, in fact there are 3 layers in total, but it is said that the 3rd layer is very small, so wait for the polishing time to add him, then now this directly polishing him. Like this, 1 mouth surface to throw to save everyone's time. I show you the 2 parallel layers at once. You can see whether this chip is quite transparent. Now polishing is the left and right cross surface, because this set of mouth surface will be relatively small. So to slowly polish each wiring must take a 10x magnifying glass to observe, and then now polish the top layer. In fact, when polishing, at the top also add a layer. Attentive friends should be able to notice the hot crossed mouth surface. Now a total of 3 layers are made. The last layer is with polishing thrown out of that few, even finished. The last one is to remove it from the top, clean it so that you can see the effect. This is the indoor combination, is not very fine, very shiny. It will be more than I usually see. Many cut gongs have to be scattered, and this mouth gem color is very rich, a kind of green wild fairy sect feeling. It's really a very beautiful mouthful scare. You can see from the back to observe, he is still very clean. This gem can be a very good sand orchid. And then let's see a video under natural light, because the light source is better, the sun is bigger, so it looks like he does not have such a dark color, but his fire is very pound, and this gem also gives him a moment really rare of La Salgo. This mouthful is really good. This issue of video is shared here. Goodbye everyone.